Sir, thank you very much. I am raised here today on behalf of people of Assam, on behalf of my party, Assam Gana Parishad, and my party president, Atul Bora, supporting demand by the sixth community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush, Sutia, Kush, Sutia, Sutia, Tea community, they are demanding to grant it scheduled caste Assam. This community is indigenous tribe of Assam and they are the soil of the soil. Their demand is justified, so I am supporting their demand. I like to request to grant it of these six communities of Assam. Sir, in the year 1968, sorry ma'am, excuse me, in the year 1968, when India was ruled by the British government, the British government described them in Gazette Note by as a tribal community. Like Simon Commission also recommended and granted them tribal status, sir. For this community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush and Tea community, their journey is very justified, genuine demand. They fulfill all the criteria to get the ST status, but it is dependent upon the willingness of government. Everything is dependent upon the government. So I humbly request to the government to grant the status of the sixth community of Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Sutia and Tea community immediately should get the tribal status, and I hope and I believe government will grant it, government will bring the bill in the present session and this
Please conclude.
this bill will pass and this will get the type, sir. Thank you.